Welcome to functionality at its finest. In our specially designed Reformer TRX Fusion workout, your body will be put to the test. Using the TRX Suspension Trainer, our Pilates teachers will take you through various workouts that will focus on challenging your core strength, balance, and stability. This workout is designed for those looking to increase their fitness performance while building overall core and muscle strength. It's a great way to train using methods your body may not have experienced before. So give your muscles a shock by engaging in a workout that's new, fresh, and exciting. Come join us in a Reformer TRX Fusion workout and take your fitness to the next level.